Aloha, I'm Kaylani Kealoha. Most people call me Kaylani, but some people close to me call me KK. My name means lover of the ocean, which feels deeply connected to my island roots and the calm, creative energy I want to bring into everything I do. I was born on February 22nd in Honolulu, Hawaii, and I grew up with that island energy from Maui always being a big part of who I am. I'm 24, I'm a Pisces, and honestly, that probably explains a lot. I'm creative, emotional in the best way, very intuitive, and I'm the kind of person who feels things deeply before I even know how to explain them. Like, I can walk into a room, hear one sentence, or see one idea online, and instantly feel whether there's something special there. And right now, the thing I cannot stop thinking about is AI. I'm not kidding. AI has completely changed the way I look at creativity, content, business, and even personal confidence. It feels like we are living through one of those moments where the world is shifting in real time, and everyone is trying to figure out what it means. Some people are excited, some people are overwhelmed, some people are honestly just confused. And I get it, because there are so many tools, so many updates, so many platforms, and so many people online acting like you should already know everything. But you don't have to know everything. That is actually one of the reasons I want to become a YouTube creator. I want to build a channel that helps people lock in, slow down, and understand how AI can actually be useful in real life. Not in a cold, robotic, overly technical way. I mean in a creative way, a human way, a way that helps people create content, build confidence, save time, express ideas, start brands, grow online, and maybe finally make the thing they have been thinking about for years. My channel is going to focus on AI, content creation, digital branding, avatar creation, social media, and the tools that make creating online feel more possible. I want to test things, explain things, show examples, and be honest about what works and what does not. Because let's be real, not every AI tool is magic. Some tools are amazing, some are kind of confusing. Some look great in a demo, and then the second you try them yourself, you're like, wait, why does mine not look like that? So I want to show the real process. The polished results, yes, but also the learning curve, the mistakes, the experimenting, the moments where something finally clicks, because that is where people actually learn. My personal style is very coastal, clean, and elegant. I love visuals that feel bright, natural, warm, and a little aspirational, but still approachable. I'm drawn to navy blue, white, black, and touches of gold. I like content that feels polished, but not fake, beautiful, but not unreachable, confident, but still soft. I have blue-gray eyes, and I've always felt like they match my personality a little bit. Calm, curious, reflective, and always taking in the world around me. I think that is also the kind of creator I want to be. Someone who observes, learns, experiments, and then shares what I find in a way that makes people feel like, okay, I can do this too. Because that is the whole point. I do not want people watching my content and feeling behind. I want them to feel caught up. I want them to feel capable. I want them to feel like they can take one small step today and start building something better. Whether someone wants to create a YouTube channel, launch a digital product, grow a personal brand, make better social media content, use AI avatars, or just understand what all these tools are actually for, I want my content to feel like a starting point. Like, come here, breathe for a second, and let's figure this out together. I also want to bring warmth into the AI space. I think that matters, because AI can feel very technical, very fast, and very impersonal. But I don't think it has to be that way. To me, AI is not just about automation. It is about imagination. It is about taking the ideas in your head and finally having tools that help you bring them to life. It is about making content creation less intimidating. It is about giving small creators the ability to look professional without needing a huge team, a massive budget, or years of experience. And honestly, I think that is powerful. I want my channel to become a place where people can learn, get inspired, and feel motivated to try. I want to talk about AI tools, creator workflows, content strategy, digital confidence, and the future of online influence. But I also want it to feel fun. I want it to feel stylish. I want it to feel like there is a real personality behind it. Because even with AI, personality still matters. Actually, it might matter even more now. There is so much content online that looks perfect but feels empty. I do not want that. I want my content to feel beautiful and useful. I want people to leave with an idea, a next step, or a little spark of motivation. And yes, I want to grow. I want to become a successful YouTube influencer. I want to build a brand. I want to work with amazing tools, companies, and creators. I want to inspire people who are just starting out. But I also want to stay grounded in why I started. I started because I believe creativity should feel possible. I started because I believe people should not have to feel lost every time a new technology comes out. I started because I think AI can help people become more confident, not less human. So if you are new here, welcome. I'm Kaylani Kealoha. I'm a Hawaii-born, Maui-rooted, aspiring YouTube creator exploring AI, creativity, content, and digital confidence. And this is where we are going to learn, create, experiment, and lock in together. I'm so happy you're here. And I'm not kidding. I really think we are just getting started.